Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, little short video. This is part 2. And if you didn't watch, so I just printed out on a piece of paper with just a Hewlett-Packard. And the colors that are RGB just kind of bled together. So that might be her problem. She had RGB. And if you look at my new one, it looks pretty good. There's not quite the separation between all the colors, but this is just a regular printer. So if we look at it, and it's still broken apart, that this is a CMYK blue or turquoise, where this is an RGB. So this is the file she sent me. I'm thinking that is her problem, that she maybe on her monitor, you know, because all monitors aren't the same. You know, maybe it looks like a turquoise, but this will give her some separation and hopefully help her. See, you know, all we're doing is changing the number. This is C60 versus C40 and different numbers. You know, C40, C40, C60, 14, 13 is 0 for the K. Anyway, I hope that answers her question, and thank you for watching.